Good morning, students. Today we are going to start the chapter Cubes and Cube Roots. Here we will start with the introduction first. What is a cube? You all know first of all what is a square. Square means when we multiply a number 2 times. So now what is a cube? When we multiply a number 3 times, that are known as cube. Suppose I will multiply 1 3 times, it will give you 1 into 1 into 1, that is 1 cube. 1 raised to the power 3. So what is the sum? What is the answer here? 1 into 1 into 1. The product will give you again 1. So 1 cube is 1. So now the next is find the cube of 2. Suppose I need to find the cube. So I will multiply 2 3 times. It will give you 8. Now what is the cube of 2 will be written as? 2 raised to the power 3 is equals to 8. So now 3 into 3 into 3 will give you 27. So now 3 raised to the power 3 is equals to 27. So now the cube of 3 is 27. Now we have some more interesting patterns that will help you to find the cube. So now if we will add the consecutive odd numbers, consecutive means one after the another. So the first odd number is 1. The first odd number is 1. The 1 cube is 1. The next two odd numbers are 3 and 5. So 3 and 5. If I will add them, I will get 8. So now you can see here what 8 is the cube of 2. So if I can write this 8 as 2 cube. So now the next three numbers are 7 plus 9 plus 11. It will give you 27. So 27 is the cube of 3. So 3 cube is 27. One more interesting pattern is here. That is, see here next, what come after 11? The next consecutive odd number 13. The next is 15. The next is 17. And the next is 19. If we will add them, what I will get? 64. So if I will find the cube of the 4, that means 4 into 4 into 4. 16 4, yeah. 64. So see here 1 cube, 2 cube, 3 cube, 4 cube. Similarly, you can find 6 cube, 8 cube and 10 cube also by writing the consecutive odd number 1. See here how many odd numbers are here with this step. 1, 2 odd numbers, then next 3 odd numbers, then next 4 odd numbers. For 5 cube, you have to write the next 5 odd numbers. Similarly like this. Now one more pattern is there. Cubes and their prime factors. What is the relationship between a cube and its prime factors? Suppose I have taken 4. So what are the prime factors of 4? That is 2 into 2. So now if I will write cube here, I need to find 4 cube. So what is 4 cube? 4 into 4 into 4, it will give you 64. So if I will find the prime factors of 64, what I will get? 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. This you can try it yourself, students, that how the prime factors of 64 are 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. So this can be written as this can be written as 2 cube, these 3, and these 3 will make again 2 cube. Okay, so now you can see here a relation between them. Here if I have put cube, here also comes cube and this here also comes cube. Okay, so now we can see here the next is 6. 6, the prime factors of 6 are 2 into 3. So now if I will take the cube of 6, that is 6 cube, the answer will give you 216. 6 into 6 into 6. Now find the prime factors of 216. They are 2 into 2 into 2 3 times, then 3 into 3 into 3 3 times. So this can be written as 2 cube and this can be written as 3 cube. Now you can see a relation. Here I got 2 cube instead of 2 and here I got 3 cube instead of 3. So if I will cube both sides, power will come 3 here also and here also. So it can be written as 2 cube, it can be written as 3 cube. So similarly you can find 10 cube, 9 cube, 8 cube as well. So now what are the perfect cubes? So now I need to find what is the perfect cube. 729. I have taken 729. First of all, for finding the perfect cube, I need to find its prime factors. I need to find the prime factors by which method? Prime factorization. So we will start with this method. What is the prime factorization method? First of all, I will select the smallest prime number on which it will go. It will not go on 2 table. It is the smallest prime number. Then come to the next prime number, that is 3. So if I will divide 729 with 3, it will give you 243. Then it will be divided with again 3, it will give you 81. Similarly, it will be again divided with 3, it will give you 27. Again divided with 3, 9. Again divided with 3, 3. And 3 here, 1 will come here. Now how many 3's I have got? 6. So I will make a pair of 3, 3. I will divide them into 3, 3. So 1 pair of 3 here and 1 pair of 3 here I have got. So these 3 can be written as 3 cube. These 3 3's can be written as 3 cube. So 729 can be written as 3 into 3 whole cube, or I can say as 9 cube. So 729 is a perfect cube, because if I will multiply 9 3 times, it will give you 729. Every number can't be a perfect cube, of course. 4 is not a perfect cube. After if we will multiply any 3 numbers, we can't get 4. Similarly, 5 is also not a perfect cube. 9 is a perfect cube. 6 is a perfect cube. You can check it yourself, students, at your home, and you can ask your queries as well if you are facing a problem. Now I need to check 240 is a perfect cube or not. So here I am checking whether it is a perfect cube or not. So it will go on 2 table. Similarly, we will do the prime factorization. 120 will come here. After doing the prime factorization, see here what I have got. 1 2 3 4 2's, 1 3 and 1 5. This is making pair of 3, but this 2 is single, this 3 is single, and this 5 is also single. I need 2 more here to multiply, 3 more 2's, and then 5, 2 more to make it a perfect cube. So 240 is not a perfect cube. So similarly, students, how to now learn? We will learn how to make a number a perfect cube. So how to make 392 a perfect cube. First we will do it the prime factors of it. It will give you 2 into 2 into 2 into 7 into 7. See here this will make a pair of 3's. This can be written as 2 cube, but can I write it as 7 cube? No, because 1 7 is less here. So students, whatever is less here, we will multiply it on both sides, because then only my equation will be equal. If I will multiply it only on right hand side, my left hand side will become smaller. It will not be equation then. Okay, so we need to multiply 7 on both sides. 392 into 7 and 7 here also. So it has become 7 cube now. 392 into 7 will give you 2744. So it can be written as 2 into 7 whole cube, or I can write it as 14 cube. So I need one more 7, smallest multiple. It means I need 7. My smallest number is 7 to make this number a perfect cube, 392. So I will multiply 392 with 7, then only it will be a perfect cube. Now similarly, I have got a question by which smaller number I will divide my number. Now I learned how to multiply. Now I will learn how to divide this number to make a perfect cube. But how I will get that number to make this a perfect cube? Again, by using the same rule. First we will do the prime factorization. Then I will write in pairs. See here how I have written in pairs. How many 2's I have got here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. So these 2's will make 3 pairs. It can be written as 2 cube. These 3 will make again 2 cube, but this 2 is single. So they have asked to divide. So if they have asked to multiply, I will multiply 2 more here. but they have asked to divide. So this 2 is extra. So I will divide my both sides. Please students remember that. I will divide my both sides with 2. Then only it will give you a number. So if I will divide with this 2 and here also with this 2, then only it will be a perfect cube. So after dividing 128 with 2, what I will get? 128 with 2. What I will get, bacha? Tell me. 6, 4. That is 64. So here I have got 2 cube into 2 cube, because 1 2 is cancelled with this 1 2. So this can be written as 2 into 2 whole cube. 64 is equals to 4 cube. So 4 into 4 into 4 will give you 64. So students, now we are going to start our exercise 7.1. Which of the following numbers are not perfect cubes? We will see that which of the following numbers are not perfect cubes. 216. First I will take 216. I have done prime factorization for you. 2 2 2 3 times, 3 3 3 3 times. So this I can be written as 2 cube. This can be written as 3 cube. By together taking it as, it will give you 6 cube. Therefore 216 is a perfect cube. So now I need to find 1000. I need to check whether it is a perfect cube or not. So first I will start with 2. It will give you 500. Then 2 again, it will give you 250. Then 2, it will give you 125. Now again it is going on 2 table. No, I will take 5 here. It will give you 25. Then 5. Then 5. Then 5 one more. So 1000 can be written as 2 into 2 into 2 into 5 into 5 into 5. So now it can be written as 2 cube into 5 cube. So 1000 is equals to 2 into 5 whole cube. So it can be written as 10 whole cube. So students, here I have checked, this is also a perfect cube. Other parts are your homework. You can try it yourself at your home. So now the next question is, find the smallest number by which each of the following number must be multiplied. I have told you how to do this. First of all, we will do the prime factorization of 625. It will give you 3 into 3 into 3 into 5 into 5. So these 3 is making a pair of 3's. It can be written as 3 cube. But what about these 2 5's? 1 5 is less here. So you will multiply 5 on both sides. So after multiplying 5 on this side, I have got 3375. And here I have got 3 cube into 5 cube. So this can be written as 3 into 5 whole cube. So 3 into 5 will give you 15 whole cube. So we have multiplied 5 to make it as a perfect cube. So my smallest number is 5 to make it as a perfect cube. Now the question number 3 is, find the smallest number by which each of the following number must be divided to obtain a perfect cube. So now I need to find a smallest number to divide, so that I will divide it on both sides and the number will be a perfect cube. And so that I will divide with which number? 81, that it will become a perfect cube. First I need to do the prime factorization of this. So 81 can be written as 3 into 3 into 3 into 3. So it can be written as 3 cube into 3. So now I will divide this both sides with 3. Because here 3 1 3 is extra. So if they have asked to multiply the smallest number, I will multiply this with 9, because 9 can be written as more 3 into 3. So 81 divided by 3 will give you 27. Here 3 will cut with 3. Here this 3 will cut with 3. And 81 after dividing with 3 will give you 27. and this 3 cube is left here. So 3 into 3 into 3 will give you 27. So you will divide 81 with 3 so that you will get a perfect cube. So now students, please try these question number 1, 2 and 3 at your home, the other parts also. Students, now the question number 4 is, Parikshit needs a cuboid of plasticine of sides this. How many such cuboids will he need to form a cube? He needs to form a cube with these cuboids after joining these cuboids so that he will make a cube. How many such cuboids he needs? So I need to complete this 5 into 2 into 5. So I need to make this a perfect cube. I told you how to make a perfect cube. I have already told you, students. Please remember, we will first, this can be written as 5 into 5 into 2. First I will need the pairs of 3 and 3 groups. So now is how many 5s are left for completing this group? 1 5. So can I write it as 1 5? Here one more 5 extra. So I need here also how many 2s? 2 more 2s to complete this group. So 1 5 is extra, 2 2s are extra. So how many much I have added in this? 5 into 2 into 2. It means I have multiplied 20 more with this so that I will make this a perfect cube. So your answer is 20 more cuboids he needs to make one cube. So students, here my first exercise is finished. Please complete the other parts of question number 1, 2 and 3 which was not discussed in the video. That is your homework. Thank you. Have a nice day.